This is literally the worst I've seen plastic on the beach here. My goodness. Wow. I don't need to go too far. This is the worst. I mean, look at the amount. I'm recording this with my phone. I don't always bring my camera with me. But my God, all the way down there. I got 3 bags. 3 bags. There's 2 bags right here. And I'm gonna need at least 2 more. It's crazy. Beautiful beach. People don't give a shit. It's sad. So this is bag number 3. And I have never collected so many plastic bottles in such a short space. But now look at it now. Where I just came from. 3 bags, and it looks a lot better. I think I got 1 more bag to go. I normally don't bring out, so I'm recording this with my iPhone. I don't even bring out my camera. I come out here every other day, or I try to come every day during the weekends. On the weekends, you know, let the people have the beach, but saddens me to see all this plastic. If you saw one of my last videos when there was a dead turtle that washed up. So yeah, sorry for the quality. So there's a few more bottles over there, so I think it's gonna be a 4-bagger. Very sad. Well, I only have 4 bags with me, and they're full, and these came from the ocean because you can see the barnacles on these plastic bottles. Never seen so many in one cleanup, but I'm glad I got to them before the high tide took them back out to the ocean. I enjoy doing this. I don't know why. It makes me feel good at the end of the day, knowing that I did something good for Mother Nature. All right, so I've almost filled this 55-gallon drum that's here full of plastic waste from this beach, and yeah, I'm gonna do 1 more bag. I'm gonna go to the car, get another bag. It's out here, so the tide will come in and take this stuff away. So I'm recording this with my iPhone. It's not going to be 4K HD, but it's real life. Anyway, give me a comment, hit the like button, and we'll see you guys on the next video. Take care.